Hey guys, Dr. Nick here. I just wanted to hop on and share with you some common things that I hear that people think chiropractic adjustments are actually doing. I hear all the time, we're taking pressure off of nerves, we're taking a hard bone, we're taking it off soft nerves. When you get adjusted, we are actually restoring motion in your spinal column, your vertebra. That is huge. That sends messages up to your brain so that your brain can properly diagnose what's going on in your body and send the appropriate things that it needs down. It can restore motion in the joint. It can heal the tissue. It can actually have an understanding of what's happening in your body at that spot. So what happens when you get adjusted? We help restore motion in the spine, which sends messages up to your brain, makes your brain happy so that your body can heal naturally the way that it was intended to do it. If you or somebody that you know needs an adjustment, come on in, send them our way. We'll take care of them and we'll put you in our drawing for our Yeti cooler and our Chiro bowl. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and we'll see you next time.